Okay, clever clogs, where does a rainbow end? Okay, clever clogs. This is a phrase to say that somebody is very clever, but very often they're also rather annoying. They're ostentatiously and irritatingly knowledgeable. Clever clogs always seems to know more than me. Very often this is used as a nickname or an epithet, a name to call someone. Okay, clever clogs, if you know how to do it, then show us all how to do it. Yeah? So clever clogs, it's saying that somebody's very smart. It can be used ironically as well. But normally it's saying that somebody's irritatingly smart. Yeah, they know everything about things. You could also say a clever dick. Yeah, he's always such a clever dick. Yeah, he's smart and intelligent, but he's always really rather annoying about it as well. Okay, so a clever clogs, a smart aleck, a clever dick. Yeah, I think maybe sort of like American wise guy. Yeah, okay, a know-it-all. Yeah, smarty pants. Yeah, so yeah, this is somebody who, well, they know the answer to things, they know how to do things, but it gets on people's nerves. Come on, clever clogs, tell us how to do it. You know how to do all of these things. Yeah, let's see if some clever clogs can come up with an idea to resolve this problem. Yeah. Okay, always being a clever clogs might be very nice, but you'll look pretty stupid and everybody will tease you if you get something wrong. Yeah, I certainly don't consider myself a clever clogs. Yeah, their child, he's just so nauseating. A 6-year-old clever clogs. Yeah, he knows the answer to everything. Come on, clever clogs, what are we going to do tonight? Okay, so very often a way to a joking way to talk to people, to say something. Let's see. This is informal. I would use this informally. I'm going to give this 3.5 informality. Use it informally, and notice this is very British. I bet the Americans don't know the meaning of clever clogs. You could even say Mr. Clever Clogs or Miss Clever Clogs or Mrs. Clever Clogs. Yeah, so Mr. Clever Clogs, what's the answer to this? Okay, Miss Clever Clogs, how are we going to get the money to pay for this? It's being ironic. Yeah, clogs are wooden shoes. Let's see, in the minds of British people, clogs are something that the people from Holland, the Dutch, wear. But a clog is a wooden shoe. So effectively it's saying clever shoes, Mr. Clever Shoes, Miss Clever Shoes. So this clever clogs always has the answer to everything. Yeah, he's always got the answers. But it can be quite relieving sometimes when clever clogs actually gets it wrong. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Clever clogs.